How to get battery percentage notifications on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. Have you ever wanted to receive a notification on your iPhone about the battery estimate, but not when the battery drops below 20%? Yes, it is possible. Let's see how. First of all, open the link that is in the description of this video. When the link opens, tap the Get Shortcut button. This will open the shortcut application. A menu will appear in which we need to add a shortcut to our phone by tapping the Add Shortcut button. When you have done that, the shortcut should appear on the home screen of the shortcut application. When we tap on it, a list will appear in which we can choose at what percentage of the battery we want to receive a notification. We can choose one of the predefined percentages, or we can tap on the Choose Percent option. When we tap on this option, a new menu will appear where we can choose the percentage at which we want to receive notifications. Type some and tap the Done button. It is also necessary to allow this shortcut to send notifications so that if that pop-up appears, enable that option. That's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iOS tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.